Example number 4. List 1 equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. List 2 equals to 4, 5, 6. List 1 dot append of list 2. Take the print of list 1, you will get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, this time I have two variables, list 1 and list 2. So we have two expressions. For the list 1, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, this list. List 1, this variable, this identifier, keeps this information in the memory. This identifier, which is list 2, this is the second variable name, keeps this information, which is the list of 4, 5, 6 elements. Now I want to append list 1, list 2. So just write list 1 dot append of list 2. It means that add list 2 to the list 1. Here, list 2 considers a new element for the list 1. So when you take the print of list 1, look, list 1 is my this list, 0, 1, 2, 3. When you take the print of list 1, you will get 0, 1, 2, 3, and then comma, this second list, list 2, 4, 5, 6. Because we have appended list 1, which is this, with the list 2, which is this. Therefore, you will get extra part here, which is this list, when you append list 1 by the list 2.